Now, if you're a person who sees, hears, or is involved in a situation that fits almost perfectly with the elements described in the previous slides, you're probably a bystander of bullying. So let's be active bystanders. There's always something you can do to help. If you're a child or a teenager, tell a trusted adult. You may not be able to take things into your own hands, but by telling an adult, you're already a superhero, because maybe the person being bullied doesn't have the courage to do so themselves. Also, your input as a bystander will be very useful when coming up with a solution to the situation. Now, if you're an adult, there are a few more actions you should take. First, the adult should intervene and break up what's going on. Remember to be respectful to all parties. Proceed with caution and make sure everyone is physically secure. Then, separate each individual and begin questioning them about the situation and their point of view. Possible solutions, advice, and assistance can be constructed from there.